I really liked math when I was in school, but then I wanted to go into a field where I could apply that to. So then as I was learning about the different types of engineering, I was really drawn into civil engineering because of how diverse the amount of fields that are within civil engineering are. And over time, I grew particularly attracted to the water resources field because I discovered that I wanted to do something that had an application to helping the environment. It helps to prevent flooding in buildings, and it also helps to preserve water quality as well. So when stormwater flows that can carry pollutants, water resources aims to implement practices that helps improve water quality impairment and prevents pollutants from entering natural areas. In general, more sustainable technologies that can be applied to projects, but in water resources also the development of drones to help do work that is currently hazardous for humans. For example, sometimes workers may have to go inside stormwater pipes to inspect if there's been damage to the pipes, if there's been any leaking that causes flooding, and having a drone or some sort of robot going in can do the job for a person, and it's less risky. And it also, with the camera footage, you can see in harder to get to areas, like if there's been any obstructions in stormwater pipes as well, which is a pretty common thing that can happen.